regardless of what you choose for your bio, what is most important is that you have your major keyword in whatever you write. So it has to have the keywords that people are actually searching for. So let me show you a sample now. This is kitchen utensils. This is small. Okay, I did not even finish that. Small gadget, big gadget, home knit. So let me search kitchen utensils here for you. Kitchen utensils. So look at these people. They actually included it in their name. So it's already included in their category. That is why it brings them up like this. So let's pick one and see how the person is able to craft a content. Let me pick this. This is 22k followers. It doesn't matter actually. So this is kitchenwares and household items, shopping and retail. That is what she has as a own category. So you can choose product and services if you offer services, and if you offer products. So your services can be in form of, okay, we sell products and we offer logistics. So look at that. We sell products and we offer logistics. So your own service can be like that. It can be in form of something like that. And that's if you don't want to create another page for the service, but you want to bring the product and the service together in one account. So that is why you can, but if out of that you can just put shopping and retail, so with that you're good to go. Look at this person. She said unique kitchen items, other pay receive. So that other pay receive is what she actually tagged the process of ordering from my page. So Monday to clinical personal page, at so all this is actually not necessarily. What I want to pick here is unique kitchen items. So unique kitchen items. So by the time I scroll up, so I can see that I did not see anything different from unique kitchen items. All I'm seeing is kitchen items. So look at that. So which means she actually sells what she portrayed. That is what she says she is selling is what she is selling. So look at this. And I have one other one, I forgot the account name. Just kitchen, just occasion kitchen households. Look at her one too. She supplies only for households. So she has specifically mentioned that I sell classy and affordable kitchen utensils. I sell items that make your home beautiful, souvenirs. So this is actually straightforward. She don't have to make it look very hard for people to understand. So she has spelled what she does. So if I want to come here and buy things, I sell classy and affordable kitchen utensils. I sell items that makes your home beautiful. So by the time I look up, okay, you sell items that make my home beautiful. Okay, let me check what you sell. And look at that. She actually sells what she says she sells. So look at what she sells. She actually sell what she said she sells. So look at that. Look at that. Look at that. So she is being sincere that, okay, oh, anything you need at all in your household is what I sell. And she was able to keep to that. Even up, going down the page, she still maintains down. She still maintains that. So it's always good. You can decide to follow this account because she has what you want. She has what you want. So that is one thing I want you to see. Should, in case you don't know how to start crafting your bio, you look at people that are selling something related to yours. Look at how they craft this. If it's something that follows all the explanation I said about setting up your bio like a boss, then you can just follow the method and use it to bring out yours. So look at what I write there. We are your best plug for your home needs, small and medium and big gadgets, kitchen utensils, etc. So by the time you check around and you say, okay, this and this, I miss this, okay, let me add this. And one important thing is that your bio is not fixed. It's not something like, this is what I'm going to be using forever. You have to be tweaking it. So there are some times that an idea will come. So let me show you now. So after I might just decided that one day that I don't like the way this thing is, okay, let me clean it and do something different, or let me write something different again. Because sometimes you will get more clarity about what you said when you are already into it. So it gives you the bio gives you the opportunity to keep changing. You can change weekly, you can change monthly. All what is most important is that it has to align with what you are selling. So let me go ahead and say, okay, um 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 I sell convenience. Look at that. I sell convenience items that will make your home looks beautiful, items that will ease your home, let me say, items that will ease your home, that will ease your home needs. Your home needs, should I call item that is going to ease um ease let me say, okay, looks beautiful, makes your home makes ease your home chores or your house chores, ease your house chores. So I can now go further and sell and that's that gives you peace of mind. So look at what I said, outshores that makes your home looks beautiful. So if I want to tweak this now, you discover that home improvement, home equipment is not there. So better still, I sell convenience, home equipment, that will make your home looks beautiful, ease your house chores, and lastly gives you peace of mind. So look at that. I keep on changing my bio the way I want. So if I want to come here, I can say kitchen. If I still have space, so make sure you look at the markup here. So if I still have space, I can say kitchen items, put a dot, electrical appliances, going to put a dot there. Kitchen items, electrical appliances, general home needs, or no, it can't be general home needs because we have furnitures in the house, we have a whole lot of items in the house. or let me say home improvement. Full stop. So this can now come, I sell convenience. I don't need to repeat this home equipment again. So I'm going to delete this. I sell convenience that will make your home. Instead of that, I sell items or make your home. You can see how I'm tweaking. It's not something that I already know before. Make your home looks beautiful with a unique home needs. So I'm going to erase this. Let me see if I still have space. Wow, there is no space. Yes. Make your home looks beautiful with a unique home needs. That gives you peace of mind. Okay, so wonderful. Kitchen items, electrical appliances, home improvements. Make your home looks beautiful with a unique home needs that gives you peace of mind. So I'm just going to mark this. So after I mark that, that is my bio. So don't forget, you can always change your bio the way you like. So now let's come to the website. So if you have any websites, we are still going to go there. So but before then, let's finish wrapping our bio, our profile. So this website houses if you have a website, you put it there, or it houses links of tree. What do I mean by links of tree? It houses link that is going to house your main links. It's just like you have a building that houses the major items you have. So which means that you cannot bring out um your chairs, your cupboard, everything onto the street, but you have a home that houses everything. That is what you should, in case you don't have a website, you should have something that houses all your quick needs that people actually need to click to be able to get access to you or your product. So if you have one, you put it here. If you don't have one, don't worry, we are still going to get there. So let's go ahead and mark this as done. So if you notice that you won't be able to, you did not see anything like Facebook or so, because this account is new, and because it's new, it shows to people as a personal account. It's not a professional account. So we are going to move to a professional account now. You come to the three dots, three lines up here, and you click on settings. You scroll up and accounts, sorry, you scroll up, switch to professional account. So I'm going to switch to a professional account. I'm going to continue. So it's asking me that what is the categories of thing I sell. So if it is shopping and retails, so I can just say shopping and retail. If it is a shopping mall, I'll click on shopping mall. So let me click on shopping and retail as my category. Then I will say display category label. So you mark it. Then I'm going to click on done. That is still loading. So it's now asking, are you a creator? Do you create content? You're an influencer, you're an artist, you're a public figure. Is that what you do? That's for creators. But because you are into business, you want to make sales. So you click on what you are here for. You click on what you are on Instagram for. So you click on next. So it's asking for your business email. I always advise that if you want to put any email at all, you should include email that actually have your business name. It can be, if you have a website, it can be info@sashmore.com. That's if Sash Mall is a registered business. It's not necessary you are registered before you open your IG. But if I am registered and I am Sash Mall, so I'm going to create sash info@sashmall.com if I have a website, or sashmall@gmail.com. So this one I'm going to put in sashmall@gmail.com. So look at that. So I'm going to click on next. So it's going to be easy for people. Okay, sorry, I didn't put the address. So my address, I can put in, let's say, AIT Road, just a random address, AIT Road, Alagbado. It's saying Ogun State, but it's actually Lagos State. So I don't remember the zip code, so you can always check and put it there. So if you want to remove the address, you can choose to remove the address, but I used to advise that if you don't want to include the address, you just let it be. You let the address be. You skip it, and that's if you don't have you don't have an offline store. If you do have an offline store, it is very important that you put in your address so that people can walk in and buy from you. But if you don't have any offline store and you work from home, you don't necessarily have to put your address for safety reasons. So it's better you put in just the way I put it, like this, then you save and next. So is asking me to connect to Facebook. It is very important that if you have a Facebook account, if you have an Instagram account, you will connect it to a Facebook. Most is very, very important. Number one, to synchronize the page. Number two, if you want to run an ad, you cannot run an ad without a Facebook page. So it's just like you having a business page on Instagram, you must have as well a business page on Facebook. So I'm going to click on login to Facebook. So it's going to ask me for my details. So I want to change that to, let me change it to my home. So I'm going to log in. So continue as Zofa. So now is asking me, okay, did I want to connect it? So I'm going to click on continue. So it's asking me that my Facebook has already been used to connect Zofa Preview, one of my accounts that I use to preview products. So I'm just going to change it. So okay, I want to change it. Oh, set up your account center. So you can read up this. So if you don't want to set up your account center, all that in, so I'm just going to finish my setup. So it's asking for, okay, these are the pages I have myself. So if the search mall is not part of the pages I've already created before, all I just need to do is to create a new page for it. So I'm going to click on create a new page. Home improvements. So let me remove, it's because of, okay, so you should accept now. So page title, search mall home improvements. So I'm going to click on next. So if I create it this way, Facebook is going to automatically creating it as well for me on my Facebook account, which means that I can always connect my Facebook account to this. I can always create my Facebook page once I create my Instagram account. So with this now, is creating it for me, and with this I'm done. You can see I'm already done. I've completed my profile. These are the other ones is telling me to do. I should learn from others. That is, I should learn from other people that are into what I'm doing. So I can just click and follow them and learn from them. That's what it means by I should learn. So I'm going to mark that as done. So it's telling me to invite friends. I can follow contacts, invite. If you know you want to invite your previous clients, you have a client on WhatsApp, you have a client somewhere, maybe with your contact, and you want them to follow you, or you have people from your a WhatsApp you have, or from email, SMS, you can always invite them, so that this is going to make your work a whole lot easy. It's going to make people to quickly follow you, and that's if you want such. If you don't want such, you can just go ahead and continue using the strategy I'm going to teach you to gain more followers. So let me just click on one so that we can mark that aspect. So I'm going to mark that as done. Share photos and video, I will do that later. Explore the insight. So it's telling you that if Instagram already has a tool that they use to train people on how best to use the app, so you can just click on it and look at it and be able to explore around. So that is that. So I'm going to close this now. So my account is ready. This is my account. It is ready. So what is next is for me to create my first post and start talking about it, start making noise about it. So on social media, you make noise. That is why it is called social media. It's called social media for a reason. You make a whole lot of noise. And if you don't know how to make noise by yourself on your own, so you can hire somebody to do that for you. So with this, you make a whole lot of noise for people to actually be able to see you, to notice you, to follow you. So this now, I'm going to go ahead and create just a post, and I'm going to I'm going to create a feed post. So we are let me find a product. Okay, let me see. No, I don't want that product. Okay, let me see this product, and I see this product as something I want to sell. So I'm going to click on next. I'm going to click on next, and this is the product. Before I click on next and next and next, let me back again. Let me click on next. So once you have something like this, you have a place here to adjust. So I'm going to show you why the adjust is there. Let me find no, let me find a picture. Trying to see if I can see where I can see a picture that I can use to adjust the scale. So that one is just to scale the product to scale, so that it's going to fit in the size and it's going to show the whole of it. So that is why this is either to expand or to scale it. So I'm going to click on next. So here you have different options. You have the filter section for you to be able to filter it based on what you see. You can change the color the way you want. You can see it. You can change the color the way you want, and if you want to if you want to edit it, you can click on edit, adjust the brightness. So let me say I decided to pick on the normal one. I'm going to click on edit. I'm going to adjust. So it's telling me to pinch to zoom. Did I want to zoom? So it's telling me to pinch to zoom, but I'm not doing that. Is it brightness you want? Look at that. So you adjust based on the way you want it to be. Contrast, you done. Structure, all this thing that you're seeing here has already been done for you with the filter. It's just that it might be too much, or it might not meet what you want. So the best bet is that you use a number, you use any of the filter, or you edit it if you know how to edit picture, if you know how to edit video. So me, I really don't need to edit it. I love it the way it is. So I'm just going to click on next. So this interface, you have a whole lot of things here that you can work with. You can tag people, click on any part you want. If it is a picture of a whole lot of people, you click on the person and you tag the person. So if I want to tag anyone here, I'm going to click and tag the person name. I'm going to search, let me see, Niger Branchik. I want to tag Niger Branchik. I'm going to tag Niger Branchik there. Or I want to tag anyone here, I'm going to click and tag the person there. So once I'm done, I click on mark as done. So do you get that? Which means that the people I have served, I've been able to tag one person. If you want to tag more than one person, so you can tag more than one person if you like. So add location. So do you want to add a location of where you are? Okay, I'm in Lagos. For whoever that want to order, they order from for people in Lagos to locate me, and for people outside Lagos that sees my ad to know that I'm in Lagos, shipping fee is going to be applicable, but that's not necessarily. But the reason why it's good to put this is just for the people within that location to be able to locate you easily. So if you want to create a promotion directly from here, you can go ahead and create a promotion. That is, you want to sponsor the ad. If not, then if you want to post it on your new page, Zashmall Home Improvement, you post it. If you have a Twitter account you want to, you can do that. I would have loved to show you that part, but because of the ban on Twitter, I can't show you that. So if you have a Tumblr account, you can do that. Let's come to advanced. So if you want to add like and view count on this post, that is, you want to hide people from seeing how many people that like the post or how many people that view your video, you are going to activate this. So comment, if you want to turn off comments, you can turn off comments. So do you want to write an alt text? So look at what they said here. Alt text describes your photos for people with visual impairment. So alt text will be automatically created for your photos, or you can choose to write your own. So if you want to activate alt text, all you just need to do is just to write it. This is basically for people with impairment, that is people with visual impairment. They can actually not see anything, so they get to understand what you're saying, maybe by placing hand or so on it. So that is that on that one. Now coming to the content, writing your caption. So it is very important to note that writing your caption is what is good, is a magnet to attract your customer, apart from your from your picture or your video. The next best thing is your caption. How you are able to craft your caption is very important. So let's go ahead. For me, this is what I used to do. I look at the product I want to advertise very well. I try to understand the product, and after I try to understand the product, then I think of, okay, this is a product, okay, this is how I should do, okay, this is what it does. I would have known all that before I start or before I want to post. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to after looking at this, I'm going to come here now and I'm going to write make a witch. No, I don't want to make a witch. So I can just write, enjoy the cool breeze of life with a 2 in, let me see, okay, 1 1 2 3 4. Okay, so I'm going to say with a 4 in 1 4 in 1 4 in 1 rechargeable mist fan. You don't have, okay, buy one gadget for multiple function. You don't have to get multiple gadgets for multiple purpose when you can get all that in just one gadget. Enjoying cool breeze, just like an AC. Make use of LED night lights while you can as well enjoy your cool breeze or enjoy a cool atmosphere. You bring something around it. You can see it's not something I've write before. Just me looking at it is giving me an idea. So our 4-in-1 mist rechargeable portable fan can serve as one humidifier, spring humidifying function, humidifying I got it right now. Okay, I put my humidifying function. 2 night lights. 3 recharge power bank. Night lights, power bank, okay. Desk lamp. Not all that alone. This multi-function portable fan can last for 24 hours after fully charged. So look at this. These are still for me. So by the time I read all this and you now come down here and tell me 25,000, I'll say, well, it's actually worth it with all this function. But if you did not tell me all this and you just put in the price, I'll just look like this person at for something that should not be more than 5,000 naira, or something that should not be more than 10,000 naira. You're selling it for 25,000 naira. But because you have orientated me on what the product does, how the product is going to help me, the benefit of the product, you have been able to bring out that. So it makes it easy for me to say, well, the 25,000 actually makes sense. So if I want to go further, I can say it cares this this portable fan, scares mosquito away, which makes life a lot easier without having to worry of noises around. So I'm able to say all that. So what is next for me is to publish. But before publish, it is important that you know about hashtags. Though there is a traditional way of doing it that you get it free of charge. Actually, there is an app that does that too, but the app has not been doing it the way it should. So what I do mostly is because I know my way around hashtags. So I used to check some hashtag to be sure that they have not been banned, and to be sure that it's still engaging, to be sure that it doesn't have too much. We are still going to get on that. So let me quickly wrap up on this. So I'm going to mark this as done. If I have my hashtag, I would have put my hashtag there. So you come here to your home, see, you have been able to post it. You have been able to post this, and this is what people are going to see when they come here. But let me show you something. When you open this, look at this. You can see that there is a more enjoy the cool breeze of life with our 4-in-1 rechargeable mist fan. So I'll be looking like enjoy the cool breeze of life. What is it for me to enjoy? I want to be cool. Is the curiosity we set in that, okay, let me read further. So by the time I read further, it opens others, and I'm able to read through it. So that is that on this one. So I'm able to read through all this just because I've been able to craft something. I've been able to craft something like a magnet that attracts people first and make them to be curious to know more. So that is that on that one I'm posting. So we are still going to post one more or probably two more, just for you to get what I'm trying to explain further. So we'll meet in the next class. Sorry, this class is a bit long.